All right, y'all. This is gonna be part two of the pledge loan video, y'all. So the first one, if you haven't watched it yet, I'll add the link somewhere so y'all can go watch that video first. Once you watch that video, come watch this one, right? So, with that being said, I wouldn't tell none of my clients or anybody on here to do something that I haven't done before, right? So, like I said, I've already done my first pledge loan back in May 1st. As y'all can see, I just logged into my Experian app. I just logged into my Experian app. Shit. It's not really zooming in. I'm not sure what. Oh, there we go. Yeah, y'all see it? Y'all see my credit score, bro? This is on Experian app, so this is my FICO score, not the Vantage 3.0 that Credit Karma shows. Damn. Yeah, some shit going on. Yeah, so alright. Yeah, y'all know where I'm at. Well, I'm gonna show you guys in the few where I'm at. So that's my credit score. Alright, as y'all can see, that's my credit cards. Then I got my auto loan. That's my whole credit profile right there. If y'all haven't seen my other video, I go. Oh shit, my bad. Okay, cool. All right, it's right here. All right, it says personal loans. Hopefully it's like. Hopefully y'all can see that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Personal loans. It says Credit Union of Texas, and then it says closed, right? So then we got. So as y'all can see, Credit Union of Texas. This is my first pledge loan back in May 1st. It says secured loan, and then it says what else does it say? It says $1,000, term 12 months. But like I said, I paid it. I paid the 90% off of it in the first in the first in the first for the first payment, and then I got done paying it like 2 months after that. So hopefully y'all can see that. I'm not sure if it's like zooming in or not. Hopefully y'all can see that. If y'all can't, then I'll just take a screenshot of this and then I'll probably post it in the video. To make sure you guys can see it. But this was my first pledge loan, and like I said, it added a positive credit profile, a positive trade line on my credit profile. So where I'm at today, right? Where I'm at today, and hopefully y'all can see that. I'm right here at the Credit Union of Texas, y'all. I do not be capping. None of this, bro. Like I said, nothing that I haven't done, I will not tell you guys not to do. So, we're here today. I'm about to do my second pledge loan. As y'all can see, as I just showed you guys on my Experian app, my own credit profile with the first loan, which was 1,000. I'm about to make my second loan for 5,000, right? So, and then yeah, let me show you guys my savings on here. So this is my credit union. Oh my god. There we go. Aces. Y'all can see that. Um, it says available balance 998, but it's honestly 1,000. I'm not sure why it does. I think credit union keeps like $5 for themselves. Oh shit. I think they keep like $5 for themselves, just at all times. It's like in their contract. Yeah, y'all see that. So I have $1,000 in there. So this is 4,100, right? So I'm about to go deposit this 4,100 into my savings account, and then once I do that, I'm gonna go ask. I know somebody in there, so I'm gonna go ask them for a pledge loan, and then I'm gonna go get my second pledge loan, which is gonna be for 5,000, right? And then after that, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna still keep recording, and I'm gonna show you guys the paperwork of how it looks like. So then you guys could go ahead and make this pledge loan and add positive credit, add a positive trade line into your profile. Let's get it. All right, y'all, I just got out of there. It probably took me about like 20 minutes. It probably should take less, but they had some trouble with like the system or whatever. Like something wasn't going through. So, but this is the documents that you get after you do a pledge loan. All the paperwork or whatever. You do got to sign about like a couple of papers. It's pretty much this. This is just talking about like the Truth in Lending Act and all of that. Like making sure how much your payments are, the due dates and all of that. So shout out Crystal, man. She probably gonna watch this video because I told her I was making this video. So what I'm saying, Credit Union of Texas, you feel me? And then I'm gonna show you guys. It is like a small little interest rate of 7%. So that's I mean, like I said, you could go two routes with paying this. You either go the route where you're actually gonna make the minimum payments for that 12 to 24 month term. Plus, they do ask you how long do you want your month term to be. For me, it doesn't matter because in the first payment, I'm gonna make 90% of this $5,000 loan and pay you straight back. So honestly, I don't pay too much back in in interest rate, right? Because whenever you pay it back like in full or like a good amount, like you either pay no interest or very 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 little interest, less than 7%, right? And that goes to the same with like credit cards and all of that. Um, you know, Y'all know I had to get that creek. Everywhere they got free coffee at, bro, I'm taking it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Caffeine, bro, I need it. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for the video. This is part 2 of the pledge loan. If you have not watched part 1, go watch that. I pretty much explained how the pledge loan works. And for this video, I wanted to show you my first pledge loan that's already being reported on my credit profile. And I just got my second one in right now because, I want to show you guys that it's honestly this simple. If you're in Dallas, if you're one of my clients or whatever, or if you're just interested in building positive credit, you can hit me up. You could come here. This is literally out here in Mesquite. I believe this is like, it's not Sain Road. It's like Gross Road and 635. But there's like 5 or 10 of these credit unions out here in Dallas alone. So, y'all could just become you can open up your savings account, become a member here. um you know I believe this credit union was for teachers only. Like you had to be a teacher to be able to become a member to this credit union. But that was back in like the 1990s. After the year 2000, it just became an anyone could join type of credit union. So that's what makes it good for people like you and me. We don't got to we could become a member without all the exclusive, type of entry, right? So that's why I 100% recommend this Credit Union of Texas. If you guys got any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments below. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you share it with someone that needs help building positive credit. And if you need help fixing your credit, disputing inaccurate or unverifiable negative items, make sure that you reach out to me. You can reach out to my Instagram at Credit with Ace, and we'll book a free one-on-one consultation call with me, and I'll give you a free credit analysis. Let's get it. Appreciate you guys for watching.